I'm Ayush Well from Ambala Kent. I've done my MBA in Financial Management from the Department of Financial Studies, University of Delhi. So I like to play cricket, badminton and watch WWE.
Hello everyone, this is Arvind Sami and I've graduated MBA from Bharatdasan Institute of Management, Tiruchirappalli, and I've been selected for business development role in ICRA. So as far my hobbies and interests are concerned, I normally do share trading and most of it is based on technical analysis. So I also love music. I play the drums and so that's it about myself.
I'm Adira Jayamar. I have completed my postgraduate diploma in management from Great Lakes Institute of Management, Chennai.
Hello, I'm Dharman from BIM Trichy, and I did my major in marketing and minor in finance. And my interest and hobbies include playing basketball, badminton, table tennis, and I play online strategy games like Dota and Call of Duty. So that's about me.
Hi, my name is A. Guruchandran. I did my postgraduate diploma from Royal Institute of Business Administration, Chennai. I have my major in marketing and my minor is in human resources. As far as my hobbies are concerned, I'm an amateur photographer myself. Then I love making travel vlogs. I'm an ardent football fan and also a gaming enthusiast.
Hi, I'm Harisagar. I'm from BIM Tiruchirappalli. My hobbies include going on weekend trips with my bike and do some Photoshop works.
Hi, I am Harshit Surana and I am from Great Lakes Institute of Management, Chennai, and my hobbies are playing badminton and sketching.
Hello everyone, my name is Jesse Vishwanathan. Did my MBA in Finance from Department of Financial Studies, University of Delhi. My current hobbies are playing cricket whenever I get the chance to do so, watching cricket and MMA. I also like reading books. The current book that I'm reading is Fear and Trembling by Soren Kierkegaard.
Hi everybody, my name is Ronak Agrawal. I did my post-graduation from Great Lakes Institute of Management, Chennai. I will be placed in Hyderabad, in ICRA. Talking about my hobbies, I like to read books, I like to watch a lot of TV shows, movies. I also like to write sometimes, mostly about my life, and they're unintentionally funny.
Hello, I am Shreyas Vaidya from KJ Somaiya Institute of Management Studies and Research, Mumbai. In my free time, I like to do sketching, painting, reading books. Sometimes I also like to play keyboard.
Hi guys, my name is Shubham Jain and I have done my MBA from KJ Somaiya Institute, Mumbai. As far as my hobbies are concerned, I love to drive, I love to read books, and I occasionally play guitar. Yeah, that's all about me.
Hi, I am Shravan Banerjee from Durgapur, West Bengal. I've completed my MBA this year from Narsee Munch, Mumbai. My hobbies include watching movies and reading books.
Hi, I'm Shiv Subramanian and I've done my MBA in Finance and Marketing from Canada School of Management, and my hobbies being quizzing. I've participated in a lot of quizzes in all over India, and I love camping. So before the coronavirus pandemic, I had gone camping with my friends in this natural forest here in Tamil Nadu, and we had bonfires and adventurous trips.
Hi, I'm Shreyas from Bharatdasan Institute of Management, Trichy. I like to read and write.
Hi everyone, my name is Tiyasha Chakrabarti. I did my Masters in Economics from Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi. My hobbies are to read and watch documentaries.
Hi, this is Vishal from Bharatdasan Institute of Management, Trichy. I love to play video games and read novels.
Hi everyone, this is Yuvraj from Department of Financial Studies, University of Delhi. I am very passionate about traveling and want to explore the world a little bit more.
Hello everyone, my name is Kasey Vishnath and I am from INFI Business School, Bangalore. Talking about my hobbies, I love reading books, gardening and playing badminton.
Hi everyone, I'm Rupali Agarwal from ICFI Business School, Bangalore, generally called as IBS Bangalore, batch 2020. So I've completed my 2 years of post-graduation here under marketing, and believe me, it was great fun. So yes, I am going to miss my college a lot. Apart from that, regarding my hobbies, I love cooking, I love eating, and apart from that, I really like reading books based out of psychology. I like sketching, and I do write poems at times to express what my current mood is.
Finally, I'm quite excited to join ICRA and become a part of ICRA family. And I'm quite fortunate that I am going to start my career with one of the finest and leading credit rating agencies of India. So I'm happy about that and looking forward to have a great future in ICRA. Thank you.
So I guess the wait is finally over, and I am very much excited to be a part of ICRA. I would also like to thank ICRA for giving me this wonderful opportunity even during the tough pandemic times, and I definitely ensure that I will do my best. Thank you.
I'm very excited about joining ICRA. Being a finance major, a analyst role in a credit rating agency is a dream. Being it at the India's most reputed credit rating agency is a dream come true. I have seen during this pandemic how supportive and assuring a family of ICRA is. I am sure that this is a family I want to work for and in turn will be helping in my personal development too. I can't wait more to join this family. Thank you.
If you see, most of the people tend to compromise on their job by choosing either one of the two. But since I'd be working on the business development role, it would be an amalgam of both my major and minor. Me being a fresher, ICRA is the first step in my career, and I'm super excited to be on the onboarding procedure of ICRA, especially after being idle for the past 4 months. And I'm hoping to be a good fit for ICRA.
Being a fresher straight out of college, it's my privilege to start my career in such an esteemed organization like ICRA Limited. Due to this COVID-19, the global pandemic, I was naturally worried about my joining. But however, ICRA stood their ground and they honored the job offering. They even sent a surprise package addressing to my parents. I mean, this means a lot. This speaks volume about the character and the culture of the organization. So I'm really looking forward to meet all the top leaders in the company, work along with them. So yeah, I'm really excited to start my journey in ICRA. Thank you.
I'm super excited to be joining ICRA and do some meaningful contributions. Thank you.
I'm eager to join ICRA due to my interest in financial statement analysis and credit rating. Thank you.
The reason that I would like to join ICRA right now is because the Indian economy is at an exciting place and there is a lot of possibilities, and there is no better place to sit, watch, analyze these possibilities other than ICRA. So thank you, ICRA.
Talking about my excitement in joining ICRA, I'm very excited. It's going to be a huge learning curve for me. I am really excited to meet a lot of new people excelling in different sectors of business. Also, it's great. It's going to be great again to be financially independent again. Thank you.
Since this is my first job and ICRA is such a reputed company in India, I'm very excited to join ICRA and be a part of ICRA family. Thank you.
What excites me about ICRA? When I joined MBA and decided to pursue my career in finance, I made a list of companies in which I want to get selected, and ICRA was one among them. Reason being, ICRA gives me the opportunity to be in the core and center of the Indian financial sector. Here in ICRA, I will start my career with research on specific companies, specific sectors, and which takes me to have a greater understanding of overall financial sector of India. It will also act as a stepping stone of my career in fields like investment banking, research, financial analysis, risk management, and much more.
I was very thrilled to get selected in an organization like ICRA, where I get to learn a lot about different sectors and companies. The work though is just not finance. It involves doing strategy, investigating the companies by help of numbers, understanding the nuances of the businesses, and finally convincing the committee members about the final result, that is, the rating of the company. And frankly speaking, this is all I could ever ask for the first job post-MBA. I'm thankful to the HR team at ICRA, specifically Mr. Rakesh and Mr. Aditya, who have ensured such a smooth transition during such difficult times. Thank you.
I'm very much excited to join ICRA Limited. The reason being, it is a highly competitive world out there, and I think I could bring about much more business to the company and make the company grow to the number one position here in India. Thank you.
I'm extremely glad to join ICRA and be a part of the financial services sector.
As a fresher, getting placed at ICRA Limited was one of the best things that has happened to me this year, and I'm very excited to work here as my responsibilities will primarily center around my areas of interest like data and financial analysis. It will help me to apply my knowledge of economics to practical situations. Every new job is bound to be exciting and full of wonderful surprises. I'm sure this will be a great journey for me and I'm definitely looking forward to it.
Being a fresher, working in ICRA will be my first corporate experience and I am really excited about it. Thank you.
First of all, let me thank every one of you for welcoming me to the ICRA family. I have long aspired to work in the financial sector and there is no better place than ICRA to start. Also, I want to impact the business by bringing in values to the firm and putting my skills to practical use. I'm looking forward to see every one of you in person. Thank you.
So I got selected into ICRA through campus recruitment and very much likely to join the company. So I have heard about the reputation and very much pleasant and happy feeling to join ICRA. And I love working in teams to achieve a common goal and looking forward to join these collaborative teams to become a valued contributor to the company. Thank you.
Regarding placements, that's the dream of every student who steps into a B school and they really wish to get into a top-notch company. So yes, I was nervous regarding my placements also and I did it. I cracked ICRA Limited and since the day of interview I have been learning how things go about apart from letting them know about my knowledge, skills and ability that I have within me and how do I justify the job role there. So yes, now I'm looking forward to go to the company, work there, explore the market, meet my colleagues, meet my team leader, be under their guidance and learn a lot of things which was really theoretical for me at a point of time. Now I'm going to practically learn and execute things. So looking forward to it. Thank you Team HR for giving us this opportunity to express my views about how excited I am to come to ICRA Limited. Thank you.